Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and this reading was requested by one of the viewer. No contact, how they are feeling, will they contact you? Okay, no contact situation, whoever is in no communication, so for them this reading will be, and we will also see whether they will contact you or not. Okay, so we have three piles here. Before the pile selection, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for constant support and motivation for me to do more and more readings. Nowadays, I know I apologize that I am not able to do more readings because of my personal commitments and all, but I will continue doing the readings now. Welcome to new subscribers, whoever is new to my channel, welcome friends. And this is general readings, then it may or may not resonate with everybody. Please note that and take whatever it resonates and leave the rest. And if you want my personal reading, then you can contact me, and the details are given below. I want you all to, whoever is watching my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment. I love to read all your comments, and also press the bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. Okay, that's all. Without wasting much time, let's continue with pile selection. We have three piles here. Pile number one, the purple seashell, and pile number two, the white seashell, and pile three, green seashell. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video. If you want to meditate on the pile, you can do so. And please think about your person, and you can tune into their energies. Okay, and then we'll see. Okay, without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Whoever chose this purple seashell, this reading is for you. Let's see. No communication with your person. Will they contact you? What are they feeling right now? Okay, so no communication, no contact, what they are feeling right now. Whoever chose this purple seashell, they are in no communication. And what are the person feeling right now? What are they thinking about them? So please spirit, answer to our questions. Please give us some guidance, clarity. Okay, so no communication, no contact. What are they thinking and feeling right now? What are they thinking and feeling right now? Three of moons, two of moons, and the prophetess. And at the bottom of the deck, judgment. Okay, so I strongly feel that whoever chose this pile, for them, their person might be, maximum for most of you it is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and for some of you it can be Taurus, Aquarius, then Leo, Scorpio. Okay, any one of them it might be, but 90% of the viewers, your person might be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, let's see the reading. So judgment. Okay, so your person actually right now may be reconciling with someone else. Okay, so they might be kind of reuniting with somebody. It is not like any love situation or something like that. Maybe they have a past. Maybe your person is already married, for some of you. Okay, for some of you this person might have already married earlier, and maybe they were in separation and they met you in between. So they are reconciliation right now. I mean, they are reconciling with the past person. Okay, whoever it is. Okay, maybe wife or a husband. Okay, so they are reconciling with them. So maybe this is because of the family pressure or something. But they are at the moment they are reconciling with the past person, and they have this three of moons. That means they are celebrating, they are enjoying, they have many functions, celebrations. Okay, they are busy with their friends, so they are celebrating this reconciliation or reunion. Okay, but they also feel that they are tied to you, they are bound to you. Then they want to share their cup of love with you. They feel that you both are partners, and they want to communicate with you. But as of now they are busy with something else, as I told you already. Maybe because of they might be busy with somebody else actually. Willingly or unwillingly, but this person is with somebody else. Okay, so they look at you like you are soulmates, and you should be together, you both are meant to be together. And two of moons means it is like a partnership. Okay, you both are like kind of almost kind of a wife and husband. Okay, twin flames or soulmates, that kind of a feeling they have. They love you so much, there is no doubt about it. They have a lot of love for you, lot of emotions. They are, the person is also very sensitive. Whomever you are asking about, the person is very very sensitive, they cannot say no to anybody. So maybe because of that his or her family convinced them to reconcile with somebody else. Okay, so they are into that right now. And prophetess means they are into the energy of a queen or a king now. Okay, so they are into their own introspection, I can say. So they are thinking and waiting, but they don't know what to do, because they have these sensitive feelings towards you and emotional attachment towards you. They feel that they are bound to you and they want to come to you, but because they have somebody else in their life, they are unable to come. Okay, so let us clarify, actually let us make things clear. Let me take the universal tarot deck and we will see. Okay, so what is happening, spirit? Why this person is not communicating, and why? Because of that only this person is not communicating, as I told you already. So things are falling off, but I don't want to take them. The cards are falling. So let me clarify. So please, spirit, clarify what is the current situation of the person. No communication. What are they thinking? And what are the current energies towards my viewers? So why they are not communicating with my viewer? Okay. So angels, give us some clarity, give us some guidance. Okay, so I can see here they are slowly moving towards you. Okay, they are tied up already with someone else, but they are slowly moving towards you with a stable and very grounded way. Okay, this offer can be stable. Okay, so they want a victory in this connection, I can see. And see, Page of Swords is the bottom of the deck. Okay, so right now they are spying on you, they are stalking, I can say. They have they kept an eye on you in the social media or through mutual friends. They are watching you, actually they are observing you carefully because they want to come towards you. They are maybe gathering some information about you. Page of Swords always denotes that this person is spying on you, stalking you. Okay, they are observing you, they are keeping an eye. Okay, so they want to come towards you with a stable offer, and they want to have a victory in this connection. They want to have an engagement with you or a marriage with you or a victory. Actually they want to make this connection as public. Okay, so and also this five of pentacles, And for some people, I can see that this person might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn strongly, I feel, and also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Then for very few of you, it can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so I can see all the signs here. So this person right now, you both are hurt actually in one way or the other, but you both are want to be together, or walking in with each other, along with each other. You are not separated, you are not parting away. There is just no communication, that's all. But whatever you are feeling right now, whatever the hurt feeling, whatever you have right now, this person is also feeling the same. Okay, they feel that there are so many hidden secrets inside this connection, or inside this you. Okay, at the same way, you are also feeling the same thing, that this person might be hiding something from you. There are many secrets in this connection. So that is the reason you both got separated, I can see here. So you both got separated, no communication stage came because of that only, because there is no clarity. Actually, you both are not expressing yourself fully. Okay, so you both have some restrictions, or something. You are not telling yourself fully, expressing yourself completely. Even the same thing with this person, you both feeling hurt. Actually, you both are tired, you both are wounded, and you both are walking. But you are not separated actually. Maybe in 5D, you both are together only. And this person is feeling that they are bound to you, attached to you, and they want to have a victory in this connection. And they are also, we have here Knight of Pentacles and also Six of Wands. That means both of them shows the action or movement. Okay, so now let's see, will this person contact you or not? Will this person contact you or not? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will this person contact my viewer or not? Whomever they are thinking about, this person will contact them or not? Please give us some clarity and guidance. Okay, for sure this person will contact you, because the Chariot card came. Chariot card is the fastest moving card in this deck. Okay, so definitely they will communicate with you. They want to come towards you, they want to travel towards you. They will surely come, and they will express their love, and whatever they have inside, they will definitely surely express their feelings towards you. And you must be waiting and waiting and waiting for this person, because you must be thinking there is no clarity, this person is not expressing. So now this person will definitely come towards you, and surely they will express their feelings. I feel that strongly this person will come towards you in 6 or 7 months. Surely this person will come. Otherwise, you can say June or July, this person will contact you. Okay, that is a positive reading, friends. And maybe there are some obstacles, maybe there are some third party involvement is there, but still you both will be communicating with each other. Okay, our question is, no communication, will they contact you or not? Surely they will contact you. Okay, if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white seashell, this reading is for you. Let's see. No communication, no contact with your person. What is happening in their life? What are they thinking about you? What are their current energies? Let's see. No contact, no communication. What is my pile number 2's person feeling and thinking about them? And what are their thoughts and current energies towards my viewer? So let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Thank you, Spirit. 5 of Moons, 5 of Spheres, the Moon, Bottom of the deck we have Eight of Stars. Okay, so this person, your person, okay, your person might be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I already told you, right? I mean, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, any of one of them. Okay, the Pisces is prominent here. Then rest all the three signs are there: water signs, then earth sign, and air sign. Let's see. So your person is feeling right now they are blindfolded, they are tied up together, they cannot move, they cannot come towards you. Something is not clear to them, and they are very defensive right now. So they are defending themselves. Some fight happened between you. You blocked them or they blocked you. Okay, so you both blocked each other in social media or some way or the other. You both have blocked each other. There might be some argument or misunderstanding happened between you. That is the reason this blockage came, and there is no contact or no communication with this person. Okay, so they are also hurt, they are also feeling hurt, they are like blindfolded, they don't know what you are thinking, what you are doing, what exactly you want from them. They are not clear. Okay, so already they are not clear, and apart from that you both blocked each other. So this is the reason for your no communication. Okay, so Five of Moons means they are very sad, and they are thinking about the past again and again. Even though they have many options in front of them, many people are there around them, but still they are feeling and thinking about you. They are crying, they are regretting, they are thinking about past, and they are thinking about the happy moments that happened between you. Maybe they are reading the messages or chats that you have written again and again. I can see that. And they are very very sad. I mean, they don't have any interest on anything right now. So they are simply stand still. They are not moving anywhere. They are not doing anything, no progress in their life. They are simply standing and waiting for you, and they are regretting, I mean, whatever happened. Okay, they are feeling very very sad. And in this connection you both are hurt, and you both have secrets. Okay, so you are also not expressing yourself freely to this person, and this person is also having lot of secrets. Okay, so both the people are defensive. Because of that, you both started attacking each other verbally. Okay, so maybe arguments, or maybe for some people it is fiery, like fighting and all. So you both are hurt, actually deeply hurt. Okay, already you have faced many things in your life. I can see that you both have faced a lot actually in your life. And I can also feel this pile people, whoever chose this pile, they are not most of them, they are not very young. Okay, like not like teenagers or in 20s. Okay, they are matured people. Both of you are matured people, above 30 only, I can say. For some of you it is 40 also. Okay, I can see 30 plus or 40 plus. Okay, so you both are hurt, and you are tired actually of these fightings and all in your life. Now you want some peace. Okay, so the moon card always shows that there are hidden secrets, and there are a lot of misunderstandings in between you. Okay, each step, each day, or each communication, you had so many misunderstandings. And also for some of you, mother is also involved in this connection. Maybe his mother or your mother, somebody is involved, or motherly figure. Okay, it can be your sister also, aunt also, grandmother also. Somebody is involved in this connection, and they are not letting you be together. Okay, that is also there. And also I can see that for some of you this is a long distance connection. This person is not near to you, and they are watching you from far. Okay, I can just say that they are watching you from far, but they don't have any intention to come towards you, because they are very very sad actually. They are very sad, whatever happened, they are very hurt, deeply hurt. Okay, let's clarify. No communication. What are they thinking and feeling about my pile 2 people? Please clarify, spirits. One card already jumped. Let me take it up. Okay. Page of Pentacles. No communication. So please give us some clarity. What are they feeling and thinking about my viewer right now? Please, Spirit, give us some clarity. Okay, lot of pentacles here, friends. I can see that your person or you might be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, I can see your person only is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and I can see the Hermit. Your person might be Virgo also. Okay. So this person is soul searching. They are definitely they are gathering information about you. Okay, they are not sitting idle or still. They are definitely searching the information about you. They are keeping an eye on you, and they are right now away from this society or social media. They are concentrating on themselves. They are meditating, retreating, and soul searching. They want to know why this happened actually. So they suddenly something happened between you, and you both blocked each other. Okay, so within no time you both got separated. Okay, this person now they want to come towards you. They want to communicate with you. Page of Pentacles means it is communication. They want to come towards you with a gift or with an offer. So Page of Pentacles means it is whatever it is a stable offer, it will be. Okay, so they want to communicate, they want to give you a gift. They see you as a Queen of Pentacles, or they might be in the position of Queen of Pentacles. And I can see some of you are a single mom, or that person is single parent, or you are a single parent. Okay, I can see that they have yeah, children, one or two children I can see. Yeah, maybe it is you watching this reading is a single mom, who has 2 or 3 children. And now they want to have equal give and take in this connection. You can see 6 of Pentacles. That means they want to have balance in this connection. They want to have equal give and take in this connection, and they want to clarify everything. Okay, so they want to come towards you after maybe this no communication might be for some people it is 1 year, or others it might be more than a year. Okay, so this person wants to come towards you definitely, and they are waiting for you, taking the coin in their hand. They are waiting for you, or you are also waiting for them. This is mutual, friends. This energy is mutual. So definitely they want to come towards you. They want to offer something. Okay, it is, I can't say love because there is no cups energy here. It is pentacles. So they want to offer you some gifts or money or financial stability. Okay, so everything related to money only I can see. Maybe they want to give you an offer of job or business. They want to make you as a partner. Okay, something like that. But definitely they have an intention to come towards you, and they want to contact okay, contact you. They want to communicate. Okay, let's see, will they contact you or not? Finally, we'll ask Spirit, please confirm whether they will contact or not. Please let us know, will they contact or not? Will they communicate or not? Please let us know, Spirit. Okay, surely the Chariot. Okay, the Chariot means they definitely they want to travel towards you. They want to come towards you. Maybe because of corona they are not able to communicate with you. They actually, I can feel that they don't want to call you or text you. Definitely directly they want to come. Even here also Page of Pentacles, they want to come in person, and they want to offer you some gift. Even the Chariot card also says the same thing. They want to come towards you. They want to travel. They want to come towards you, and they want to offer the love. Okay, they want to gift you something. And I can also see that they will definitely communicate. They will definitely contact within 6 to 7 months. Okay, I can see also maybe they will contact you in the month of June, July, or August. Okay, these three possibilities are there. They might contact you in the month of June, July, and August. Okay, so let me know, friends, if you find this reading useful for you. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green seashell, this reading is for you. Let's see what is your person feeling and thinking about you right now. No communication, no contact. What are their current feelings and energies towards you? What are they doing? What are they thinking about you? Okay, what are they doing? I don't want so many cards, Spirit. What are they doing and what are they thinking about you? What are they doing? What are they thinking about you? Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. No communication. What are they thinking about my viewer? Neophyte, Two of Swords, Two of Spears. At the bottom of the deck, it is Four of Suns. Okay. Okay. I can strongly feel that your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Actually, all the signs are here. I can see earth sign, I can see fire sign, water sign, air sign. All the signs are here, friends. So please take it however it resonates. Okay. So let me see. Four of Suns, that means it is a Four of Wands card, Twin Flame 1111 card. So definitely they look at you as twin flame and they want to marry you. I can say this is the marriage card actually. Or for some of you, you are already married to this person and you are in no communication or separation, or you both got separated, blocked each other. I can see lot of scenarios here. Okay, but they feel that you are their life partner and they want to marry you with the Four of Wands card. Okay, then they want to celebrate with you. Okay, they have lot of stable feelings towards you. This person is a neophyte, means this person is very trustworthy, honest person. They want to come towards you and offer their cup of love. Okay, so they have a very deep feelings towards you. They are not expressing, maybe they are not that much expressive towards you, but they have very very deep feeling towards you. But they are right now defensive because you might have blocked this person. I can see that you or the person, other person have blocked each other because that person is blindfolded and they are very very defensive. They don't want to express themselves to you because they are angry right now, and because they feel that it is your mistake. Okay, something is happening between you, something happened between you, that is the reason there is no communication. So maybe after the fight you blocked them or they blocked you. Okay, so I can see there is strongly there is a blockage here, and they don't know what to do actually. They don't know what to do. They are juggling with two things or two people. So it can be job and your connection, or it can be really a person. So they are juggling with two people or two things. Okay, so they don't know what to do. They are confused actually. They don't know whether to come towards you or not. They are completely confused. But this person is genuine. They have genuine feelings towards you. Actually they wanted to marry you, they want to marry you. Okay, so let's see, let's clarify what exactly happening in their life. What are they feeling in this no communication, no contact situation? What are they thinking and feeling about my viewer? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are they thinking and feeling about my viewers? Okay, Nine of Cups, Page of Swords and Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck, it is the Lovers. Okay, definitely you both love each other, there is no doubt about it. You both love each other. Some misunderstanding happened, something happened between you. I can feel that some of you both are soulmates, and you both are like childhood friends, colleagues, classmates, college mates, anything. You know this person from a long time. Maybe as I told you already, maybe you both are married. Okay, you are married couple, wife and husband, and you both are in no communication right now. You love each other. Your person might be Gemini and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see Aquarius also here. So surely this person feels that this is divinely guided connection. You are like Adam and Eve, and yeah, they feel that you are their soulmate, and this relationship, this bonding is forever. They feel that it is from so many lives you are together. That's like that person feels, and they feel that you are their wish fulfillment. Surely this person is single right now. Okay, they are right now they are single only. They are concentrating on themselves. They are pretty much, they are waiting for you. They are young, good looking, and they have all the qualities of a bachelor or a bachelorette. Okay, so they are what can I say, they are spying on you. They are stalking you on their on your, so heavily stalking. They are spying on you. They are gathering information about you. They want to know what you are doing, how you are feeling. They want to know each and every step of yours, and each and every move. Okay, your move, because they know they have you both must be having some mutual friends. So they are inquiring about you, and they want to share the cup of love like in the past. Okay, in the past you both were so close, like friends you were. Then you both shared the cup of love. The feelings were interchanged. This love is mutual, there is no doubt about it. So this person want to have that again. They want to have the past again. They want to reminisce the past memories. Okay, so let's see, will they contact you or not? Pile 3, for my pile 3, will they contact my viewers or not? Please give us some guidance and clarity, Spirit. Please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they contact my viewer or not? Let's see. Okay, so the Strength card. Okay, surely they will contact you, because they are gathering the courage, they are gathering the strength to come towards you. But it might take time, because they are not having that much courage, because you both blocked each other. So they don't know how to communicate, how to contact you. But definitely they want to communicate with you, contact you with the Strength card. Okay, they want to gather the strength and they want to communicate with you. They will contact you for sure. Okay, for some of you I can see it is strongly, I feel 6 months. Okay, I think almost the 3 piles, you can see the other 2 piles also. The 6 is very prominent in all the piles. Okay, so for many of you, this person might contact you in the month of June. That is very strong. For very few of you, he or she might contact you in the month of August or September. Okay, that's all I can see here, friends. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment. I love to read all your comments. Until the next reading, bye.